Which Joanna's and I'm Dom and myself and Alex, who couldn't be here with us. We run Irish Socksciety, a Galway-based brand that specialises in all things Irish, represented on socks. Here is Andrew, our source of the Irish language within the office. He actually taught me this one sentence that I will try to attempt to say. Don Chianga Tovagdog, do Irish Socksciety, Neil Shave Ploy Lahoi Dilakan. Irish is genuinely something that we care about. We don't use the Irish language for the purpose of the promotion of marketing as such. It's the other way around. The Irish language was crucial to us since the very beginning.
Maidir an féin nóir tusaí mé obair an seo chuir sé iontas orm an bailach go raibh an Gaeilge sin comhtábhachtach do Joanna agus Alex agus Irish Socksciety.
It was just only natural to have it within our products, packaging, all the marketing materials and everything. It was just a natural thing to do for us. We're really, really honoured and really humbled to be in the finals of the Radam this year, alongside so many fantastic local businesses that share the same core values as we do and do it so well. So it's really flattering for ourselves and for our business. So it works both on personal and professional level to us, and Gur Mila Mahagot for that.
Gur Mila Mahagiv.
Gur Mila Mahagiv. This is me getting better.
There you go.